Alright folks, we got a super cool one for you to see today. But before I show you the car, if you can do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, that'd be awesome. 90% of my viewers are not subscribed, so punch that subscribe button and that'd help other car guys be able to see this video. But anyway, boy, this is a beautiful one here. Check this out. What year did you say that was?
1964.
A 1964, and you've owned it for how long?
40 years.
40 years. That is awesome.
I had a 68, and then the three kids came along, so I bought a coupe. And they could ride in the back. They rode in the back of there for years.
Right back here?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a pretty neat story. There's not much room back there.
I know, but they weren't that big.
What engine?
I bought it when they were. I think what I paid for those wheels, that's more than I paid for the car.
Wow. I see that there's. I see they got the little spin-off things on them.
Yeah, those are original knockoffs.
Yeah, those are high dollar now.
That's what I said. They're worth more than I paid for the car.
Wow. What engine do you have in there?
365 horse, 327.
Okay, great. It sure is nice.
Thank you.
I like this. That's a cool little emblem.
Yeah.
Now this is a Stingray?
Yeah.
Is that just what they called them back in the day?
Stingray Coupe.
Okay, I thought they were all Corvettes, but I guess a Stingray a package, or?
No, that's what they were back then.
Okay. Beautiful.
It says it right here.
Beautiful car. Okay, gotcha. Very, very neat. This is really a nice car. It's up to you. Boy, that's just an awesome looking front end, you know it?
Yeah.
That is too cool. What was your name?
Bill?
Bill?
Yeah.
Bill, nice to meet you, Bill.
Nice
Craig.
to meet you. Thanks a lot.
Very nice. Check out this dash, folks. 54,000 miles? Is that original miles? Wow. They're still out there. I like your floor mats.
Yeah, I knew it was a while since I changed the oil, so I checked my books.
Yeah?
The past 2 years, I put 1,000 miles on it.
Wow, that's all right. At least you're getting out and enjoying it, though, you know?
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
Yep, no, I enjoy it.
Yeah.
Been a dependable car.
Oh, yeah. All right, Bill. Well, thank you so much for showing me your car.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, you're quite welcome. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you enjoyed it, click the little round logo right here. You can subscribe for free. And right over here is the last video I just did. Thanks a bunch for watching.